want to get into today? Well, I got all this sour mash liquor here, and I need to do something with it. I did ask everybody what their opinion was, and I kind of grouped all the ideas together, and this is what I come up with. I hope it'll work out well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix everything together. Everything tastes fantastic. Some are a little different than others. Some are a little better than, but it all tastes great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it all together. And then we're going to have probably like a little experiment of what we're going to do. So we're going to mix everything together. And then I got me a wooden barrel here that's empty. And then I got me my Bad Mo barrel here. It's empty. I just emptied it. So everything's fresh. This barrel's been used one time, and the Bad Mo's been used one time. So we're going to put this in each one of them, and I think I'll have some left over that I might put on some wood chips. And then we're going to see what the three will taste like. And if I haven't done the actual math or anything, I might even have a little bit left over for sip and clear. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. I do have, how am I going to mix all this together is I do have me a glass 5-gallon carboy. I'm going to put all this in, and then it will get all mixed as one, and then we're going to fill these. And but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, well, let me get the homework out of the way. Hey, if you haven't got the chance yet, please hit that subscribe button down there, all right? It really helps the channel out, and it's just so we can keep bringing you content. All right, so let's do that, please. All righty, so let me get my carboy over here, and we're going to start pouring this in a carboy, get this stuff mixed up. Okay, so I did wash my carboy out, make sure it was nice and clean. Smells delicious. We'll get all that poured in here. It does have a fantastic smell of corn. I just thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to test a Bad Mo barrel and my other mini barrel. All right, we're getting here. All right, let me get these other two poured in. That's a lot of good liquor there, ain't it? Oh, the smell is fantastic. All right. I was wondering how to mix all this together because I wanted everything mixed together, and I figured this glass carboy would be the perfect thing for that because I'll do like glass. All right, so, but I wanted to show you. Do you remember the smoky corn bourbon that we made? Well, it's been in the Bad Mo barrel for 6 months. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is one beautiful liquor there. And I have tasted it. It does taste fantastic. All right, so I'm hoping for this too. All right. So, what I think I will do, just to make it easier on myself, is I will fill up this mixing jar, or this fill this cup up there. It'd be easier for me to pour it into the barrel there. All right. Well, let's see. So we'll put the funnel in here. I might just try it. Let me try it. It is heavy. It ain't nowhere near full though. A little bit more. I just don't want to overflow it. Whoops. All right. All right. Okay, well, I'll double check it, but let's put some into this barrel. And I'm hoping, yeah, and I'll keep checking them and we'll give this 6 months at least. This barrel might be a little bit faster. All right, so let me get this filled. Okay, well that wasn't too awful bad. So I got my Badmo barrel filled up. I got my mini barrel filled up. And I also have a half a gallon of, I'm going to put on oak chips. So I got 2 ounces to go on there. Okay. Put a lid on that. All right, and then, well, hopefully we'll be able to test all this together. I mean, these, like I said, this one's going to take 6 months at least. All right. And why does that take more time? Well, the people over at Bad Motivative Barrel, if I said that right, they figured out to mimic the large barrel is the surface area of this mimics the big barrel of the amount of surface area that it has. And that's why they do it this way. Hey, and by tasting that, it turns out fantastic. The mini barrel will be a little bit faster because if you did the math, there's more surface area per the liquid in there, the alcohol, so it will finish up faster, and so will that. All right. But time is our friend with any aged alcohol. Your bourbons, your whiskeys, all that. Time is our friend. And time does not hurt us at all. The only thing it does hurt us, we want to taste it, and we guys try to stay away from it, but that's a different story. All right. So I'm looking forward to see how this is going to turn out. I will store these in my fermentation room. Like I said before, it stays right around 76, 78 degrees. So I found it ages in there pretty well, so I'm happy with that. And looking forward to see how this is going to turn out. All right. Hey, like I said before, please leave a comment down there and I'll get to that to you as soon as I can. Sometimes I'm a little slow. Always a lot going on. Sorry about that. But I always try to get back to you one way or another. This is super fun. All right. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks for Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right.